Cracking the Code of Attributive Adjectives in English. Hello everyone and welcome to our new episode in English Grammar Fundamentals. Today, we're diving deep into the world of attributive adjectives. It's a fascinating part of English grammar that can drastically improve your language precision and expressiveness. An attributive adjective is an adjective that directly modifies a noun and comes right before that noun. It is essentially used to describe or provide information about the noun. For instance, in the phrase, the red ball, red is an attributive adjective because it describes the noun, ball. We know immediately that the ball is red. Let's look at some examples to better understand how attributive adjectives work. 1. The large elephant was blocking the road. 2. She was wearing a beautiful dress. 3. I can't find my black pen. In these examples, large, beautiful, and black are all attributive adjectives as they are directly modifying and describing the nouns that follow them: elephant, dress, and pen. Understanding the difference between attributive and predicative adjectives can further clarify the use of attributive adjectives. A predicative adjective comes after the verb and describes the subject of the sentence. For example, attributive, she is a careful driver. Predicative, she drives carefully. In the first sentence, careful is an attributive adjective describing the noun, driver. In the second sentence, carefully describes how she drives, making it a predicative adjective. English language never comes without exceptions, and the same applies to attributive adjectives. There are certain adjectives like afraid, alone, asleep, that are usually not used in the attributive position. They are more commonly used in the predicative position, after the verb. Correct, the man is afraid. Incorrect, the afraid man. However, when it comes to expressions of measure and order, they are used as attributive adjectives. I have a 2-hour meeting. Measure, they live on the first floor. Order. So, that's it for attributive adjectives. Remember, they are the adjectives that sit right before the noun they modify. Understanding and using attributive adjectives can help you express your thoughts more precisely and colorfully in English. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, keep practicing and enhancing your English skills. Goodbye, and happy learning.